When it comes to home improvement, windows are often overlooked in favor of more visible upgrades like kitchens or landscaping. However, installing new windows is one of the most impactful ways to enhance your home's security and comfort. For homeowners in Kendall, where the climate, neighborhood charm, and occasional extreme weather demand high-quality windows, this upgrade offers a range of benefits. Here's how new windows can improve your home's safety and comfort while adding value to your property. Strengthened home security. Old or outdated windows can pose a significant security risk. Weak frames, single-pane glass, or outdated locking mechanisms make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Upgraded locks and frames. Modern windows are equipped with advanced locking systems and reinforced frames that are much harder to tamper with, offering greater peace of mind. Many newer models include multi-point locks, which secure the window at multiple points along the frame. Impact-resistant glass. In Kendall, where hurricanes and tropical storms are a concern, impact-resistant windows are a smart choice. These windows are designed with reinforced glass that remains intact even if struck by debris, protecting your home from both intruders and extreme weather. Tempered glass for safety. Tempered glass, another popular choice, is stronger than traditional glass and, if broken, shatters into small, rounded pieces instead of sharp shards. This feature reduces the risk of injury and enhances overall safety. Improved energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Kendall's warm climate and high humidity can make it challenging to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. New windows with energy-efficient features can dramatically improve your home's insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Advanced glazing options. Energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple glazing with gas fills like argon or krypton between the panes. These features reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Low-E coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings reflect heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter your home. This reduces the strain on your air conditioning system and protects your interior furnishings from fading. Seamless installation. Properly installed windows create a tight seal against drafts and moisture infiltration, further enhancing comfort and energy efficiency. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a vibrant community like Kendall can mean dealing with outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby events. New windows with soundproofing features can turn your home into a peaceful retreat. Multiple panes and laminated glass. Double or triple paned windows, especially those with laminated glass, provide excellent noise reduction by creating a barrier against sound waves. This is particularly beneficial if your home is near busy streets or schools. Better seals. Modern windows are designed with advanced seals that not only block drafts but also help dampen noise. Proper installation ensures these seals perform effectively. Enhanced comfort with better ventilation. Ventilation is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality, especially in Kendall's humid environment. New windows with improved functionality make it easier to control airflow and enjoy fresh air without compromising security. Smooth operation. Modern windows are designed for easy operation, whether you prefer sliding, casement, or double-hung styles. Smooth mechanisms allow you to adjust ventilation effortlessly. Insect screens. High-quality screens included with new windows let you enjoy fresh air while keeping pests outside, a key consideration in South Florida's climate. Increased protection against weather. Kendall's weather can range from sunny and humid to stormy and windy, making durable windows a must-have. Impact resistance for storms. Impact-resistant windows not only protect against break-ins but also safeguard your home during hurricanes and tropical storms. These windows meet stringent building codes and provide a barrier against wind and debris. Moisture resistance. New windows with advanced weatherproofing prevent leaks, condensation, and mold growth, which are common issues in humid climates. Added value and aesthetic appeal. While security and comfort are priorities, new windows also enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and market value. Modern designs. New windows come in a variety of styles and finishes, allowing you to customize the look to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer sleek, contemporary designs or classic frames, new windows can elevate your home's curb appeal. Increased resale value. Potential buyers value homes with modern, secure, and energy-efficient windows. Replacing your windows can yield a significant return on investment when it's time to sell. Long-term durability. Investing in new windows means fewer maintenance worries. Modern materials like vinyl, aluminum, and fiberglass resist warping, corrosion, and fading, even in Kendall's humid climate. These durable options reduce the need for repairs and replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. Final thoughts. For Kendall homeowners, new windows offer a winning combination of security, comfort, and style. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance your home's safety, or create a quieter, more comfortable living environment, upgrading your windows is a decision that delivers lasting benefits. Work with a trusted window installation professional to ensure you choose the best options for your home and climate. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more secure, comfortable, and visually stunning home for years to come.